The National Investigation Agency will not challenge the bail given to Samjhauta blast accused Swami Aseemanand. That's what the government has told the Lok Sabha today in response to a question. Aseemanand is an accused in the blast on the Samjhauta Express in which 68 people were killed. All right, Tanima joining us for more on that story. Now, Tanima, what is it that the government is saying at this point for this move by the NIA, the decision not to challenge this bail? How is it going to counter allegations that it seems to be going soft on some terror cases, if not others?
Right, Ankita. In fact, the answer was revealed in a Lok Sabha question which was asked by Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, one of the MPs, in which a question was asked to the MOS Home, who gave out a detailed response in written to the reason why NIA actually did not challenge the order given by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. They had in fact taken some time to consider whether an SLP can be filed in the Supreme Court against it. But what the government response seems to be that the National Investigative Agency, after going through the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which they order which they got only in May this year, the order actually came last year, but after studying that certified order, they did not find any grounds to challenge it in Supreme Court. Also, what we are hearing from our sources in the Home Ministry as well as in the NIA is that they are trying to take a humanitarian stand for Mr. Aseemanand, because apparently he is not keeping well. He's 78 years old. So there needs to be a more humanitarian ground in terms of dealing with this case. And the matter has also been going on for quite some time. They've already been languishing in jail for the past 6 to 7 years. So this is, of course, something which has again stoked up a controversy. And let's listen in to Mr. Rashid Alvi from the Congress and what he had to say on this development.
और इससे लगता है कि मौजूदा सरकार, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार, गुनाहगारों के साथ खड़ी है, उन लोगों की मदद कर रही है। इससे पूरे देश के अंदर शक और शुबा पैदा होगा और मौजूदा सरकार पर बहुत सवालात खड़े हो जाएंगे। उनके खिलाफ निश्चित तौर से अपील होनी चाहिए।